We'll guide you through how to get a ChatGPT Plus free trial. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website at chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your OpenAI account, or you can create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here, look for the Upgrade button or tab, usually located at the top of the page. Clicking this will take you to the subscription options. Now, here's where the free trial comes into play. OpenAI occasionally offers free trials for new users to experience ChatGPT Plus. If a free trial is available, you'll see a banner or note indicating this offer. Click on the option to start your free trial. You may need to enter your payment information to activate the trial, but don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period. Make sure to check the duration of the trial, which is typically indicated on the offer. During your trial, you'll get to experience the enhanced features of ChatGPT Plus, like faster response times and priority access during peak times. If you decide to keep the subscription after the trial, you don't need to do anything, as it will automatically convert to a paid subscription unless you cancel it. If you wish to cancel, make sure you do so before the trial ends to avoid any charges. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or reminders about your trial period. That's it. Enjoy your ChatGPT Plus experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.